everyone, I'm back with video number 2 of my Destash, and this one is a primarily Tim Holtz one, and it's got a ton of brand new things that I had bought from Tim Holtz, or that I bought duplicates from Tim Holtz, or I just don't use it from Tim Holtz. So this box is box number 5. And it is $50. $50 for this box. So let's get started. It's a lot of stuff. Whoa. I just totally dropped a bunch of stuff. Okay, let's get started. This box is box number 5. It is $50. Let's go ahead and get going. So I've got this, which is Sizzix Fabi Bigs L. Whoops. Die, never used. I have this Tim Holtz Alterations die. I have this Linda Canassi Biggs pencil die. Okay. Let's see what would be next. And I've got this Tim Holtz Rosette die. And let's see, let's do stamp sets. Actually, let's do ink pads. So I've got this Festive Berries. It's still sealed. I have this Spiced Marmalade. I have crushed olive. These are just duplicates that I have. Still sealed squeezed lemonade, and still sealed gathered gathered twigs. These are all distress oxides. Okay, and then let's see, stamp sets. I have this one. These are all just duplicates, I think, or ones I just decided to say goodbye to. This one, which is Autumn, never used. This one, which is Vintage Things. This one, I really like this one. I have 2 of these. This one is Treats. And this one is Travel. All right, moving on. I have, let's see. I have this Alterations Movers and Shapers die. I forget about that. Okay. Let's see here. Do those last. So I've got these Page Pebbles. I have a bunch of them. I have these memory frames, this one, this pack. Let's see, I've got these Tim Holtz Crypt Cameos. I have this one. Let's see, I've got these Copic markers, never used. These are all duplicates. So it's YG95 Pale Olive, B97 Night Blue, Y26 Mustard, R85 Rose Red, RV13 Tender Pink, R89 Dark Red, Y21 Buttercup Yellow. Never used those. I have this one. And then I've got these ink blending foams. I have the square one. I have the round one. In here, I have 2 round tools, and then I have distress oxides that are still sealed. I just have them, so these take forever to use, so I just can't see myself going through these fast enough. So you get Spiced Marmalade, Cracked Pistachio. These are distress oxide sprays, Faded Jeans, and Mermaid Lagoon. So that is a lot of stuff. So that box is $50. It's box number 5. Okay. process like that. All right, box number 5. Moving on to box number 6. This one is also, oops, I'm sorry, and I have one more Distress Oxide spray for that one, which is picked raspberry. Throw that in the box. I don't forget that that belongs in there. Okay, that one just got away. This is box number 6, and I don't even, oh, no, my pen. This one's $50 as well. Like, really, like all brand new stuff in here. Big. Okay, let's go ahead and all right, so you get this Brenda Walton die, Big's L elephant die. I paid like $22 for this on eBay, so it's can't find that anywhere. So I've got that die. I've got this magnetic We Are Memory Keepers ruler and pad. I have this Sizzix Contour Steel Rule Die Globetrotter. Let's see. I've got this one, which is Paris from Tim Holtz. Let's see. This Thinlits Tim Holtz Alterations dies, never used. Let's see. I've got this die, which is this Thinlits Lori Whitlock die. And I've got this die and embossing folder, never used. I've got this one, which is Impresslit's coffee die with the embossing folder. I have this one, which is a Tim Holtz die. And I've got this die, which is this camera one. And I've got this one, which is a Kaiser Craft die. And then I've got these two stamp sets. This is called Line It Up. And this one is called Playful Patterns. These are from Close to My Heart. I have these stickers, coloring stickers from Sizzix. I have this Fiskars punch. And I've got this Martha Stewart's punch, the corner and the border. And then I've got these stamps. I have this die, or die, it's a punch. And then I have this Pebbles stamp, never used. This is $50 shipped. This is number 6. Okay, we're on to number 7. I'm talking fast. So this is number 7. Oops, I need my pad. So $40. All right, number 7 on here. This one is $40 shipped. You need to email me at scoop71@yahoo.com if you want any of these, and you need to pay by PayPal very quickly. All right. What you get? So you get 12 by 12 graphic, 45 off to the races, never used. You get this Pirate's Life paper pack, never used by Echo Park, and you get this paper crafting graphic 45 Little Darlings, never used. You also get some dies. This one is a super good bargain. You get these dies by Sizzix. You get this Jen Long Pineapple Fold-Along die. You get this Sizzix die paper. You get the Girl Squad, Holiday Hustle, Merriment, let's see, you get My Favorite Things watercolor pad. You get this Sizzix die. You get this die, which is CC Design Sweet Valentine. You get this Dynamics die, which is thanks, Airy Tree. You get this one, which is that. You get this one. Get this Bo Bunny stamp set, this Joy stamp set, this baseball thing. Get this. This one is I think I underpriced this one. You get these Cuttlebug letters. They just work in your regular die cut machine. You get this Easter Town, and you get this Lion stamp set. That one is box number 7. It is $40. And then the last one for this go around is box number 8, and it is $40. Box number 8 on my box. I don't lose track. Okay. Box number 8 is also $40. I'm calling it the Merry Christmas bundle. I have no idea how I'm going to get any of this stuff back in because there is a lot of stuff in here. Ugh. Okay. So much stuff. I think this box is a steal. The only reason why I'm doing it to me so cheap is because it's Christmas and all right, let's get going. I just cleaned out all my stuff. All right, start with what I put at the bottom. So you're going to get the Merry Days gift wrap book. I have used, I don't even know if I used any sheets of this. It doesn't look like I did because it's not even all the way open. But I got that. I have the Merry Days chipboard. That one's never been used. Okay, let's see. I don't even know where to start. I have this bundled up frames. I have these glitter stickers, which I used some of them. Let's see. I have this trying to find all the tall things. I have this Mambo chips. I have these mini treat boxes. I have this Bo Bunny Noteworthy. And let's see here. I have these stickers. I have these stickers. I have these. I have Snow and Cocoa die cut pieces. I let myself get rid of that because I have 2 of them. Let's see, I have these countdown stickers. I have these My Mind's Eye stickers. Stars. These stickers. These chipboard pieces. These, which is from the Christmas in the Village. I have these Petaloo flowers. I have these ornament houses from Melissa Francis. I have these stickers. These, a lot of American Crafts in here. If you're an American Crafts fan, I have quite a bit. I'm trying to make sure that I can get it all in there. Let's see here. I have the Merry Days ephemera. I have the Cocoa, Snow and Cocoa little clips. I have the Snow and Cocoa banner. I have Chit Chat Christmas Town. I have these layered stickers. I have these layered stickers. I have these by Pebbles. I have these Merry and Bright tags, puffy stickers. I have these Christmas ornaments, like a ceramic or something. Let's see. I have these sequins. I have this Merry Days. These American Crafts stickers. Snow and Cocoa. These are Bella Boulevard. Bella Boulevard. I have these Pebbles ephemera, Echo Park enamel shapes, Echo Park enamel shapes, these stickers, Merry Days little stars, this pom-poms, these American Crafts tags, and these Merry Days little button things. And that's my haul. I have one more one to do. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Praying with the Heart.